Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day if you want to have a healthy body. This is probably one of the most commonly heard advice and health tips, but how true is that? Is it just a myth passing around, or is it based on valid scientific evidence? Let's find out. First, let's be clear. Water is essential. In fact, a number of studies and research findings have described water as the most important nutrient for life. Every organ, every tissue, and every cell functionally and structurally depend on water, from thermoregulation to carrying nutrients and removing waste products from our bodies. However, several questions arise. Is overhydration harmful, or the more you overhydrate, the better? How about drinking less? Where did the 8 glasses myth originate from? Let's first talk about underhydration. This is now an established fact, and thousands of research papers demonstrate that prolonged underhydration is associated with various diseases, including cardiovascular diseases, stroke, obesity, kidney stones, and other chronic diseases. In a study, it was concluded that an increase of every 500 milliliters of water intake caused a 7% lower risk of kidney stone development. In another study, dehydration was associated with 68.5% abnormal blood pressure and 44.5% metabolic syndrome. How about overhydration? Overhydration, also known as water poisoning, water intoxication, or hyperhydration, has been shown by many studies to be associated with several health conditions. A study reported that any grade of relative overhydration was associated with high mortality in patients with chronic kidney disease. Another study revealed that overhydration led to severe, sometimes fatal, hyponatremia, a term used for low blood sodium. Similarly, in this article, it was revealed that in both animals and humans, prolonged overhydration reduces the kidney's ability to concentrate urine due to suppression of antidiuretic hormone and downregulation of AQP2 water channels, which may cause water intoxication or urinary tract complications. That means taking 8 glasses of water a day is misleading. It could still be underhydration if there is a lot of sweating or heavy load workouts supplemented with no extra liquid intake, such as juices or any other beverages. Similarly, 8 glasses of water a day may cause overhydration if someone is already taking other liquids in the form of fruits, vegetables, or juices. The 8 glasses a day rule probably traces back to a 1945 U.S. Food and Nutrition Board recommendation, in which they suggested about 2.5 liters of water daily for adults. However, the second aspect of this guideline highlighted that the majority of daily water intake is derived from commonly consumed foods and beverages, including fruits, soups, coffee, and tea. So that second part was forgotten, and people just remembered the number. Our bodies are actually great at telling us when we need water. That feeling is called thirst. Modern guidelines don't say everyone needs the same exact number. Your needs change with climate, activity, and health conditions. If you're sweating in hot weather, you will need more. If you're mostly indoors and not very active, you might need less. The key? Listen to your body. Thirst, urine color, and energy levels are better guides than a fixed number. So the idea that you must drink exactly 8 glasses of water every single day is a myth. Hydration is important, but it doesn't come only from plain water, and it definitely isn't one size fits all. Thank you, and please follow our YouTube channel Science Says for more exciting and informative videos. See you again in next video.